In a year, I would have successfully saved 1,015,200 naira. This is a huge difference. This is what I keep talking about when I tell you gas presently is the best. Okay, gas presently is the best, and I kid you not. Just imagine personally, with a small generator I use, I have been able to save 1 million plus in a year. Imagine someone who uses a bigger generator to run a business. If you have followed us on this particular channel, you would recognize that we've posted a lot of videos on gas carburetors. You see, in this part of the world where I reside, gas carburetor became a trend, raising because fuel price increased, petrol price increased, and there was need for an alternative. And then this gas carburetor came to save people. As a matter of fact, a lot of persons have now started using these gas carburetors. Why not? With gas carburetors, you can conveniently run your generators cheaper. But there are still some very persons who have said, well, they see no difference between using gas to run their generator and petrol to run their generator, cost-wise. So in this particular class, I'm going to explain every detail you need to know about using gas to run your generator. As a matter of fact, I am using this generator, ROD 3910ES generator, as a case study here because that is the generator I personally use. I decided to put this test together so that at least I will have a good backup to explain to others that using gas carburetors and gas fuel as a whole is the best so far in the market. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. But first thing first, I would like to apologize for the sound you are hearing now. The rain is drizzling heavily. If we decide to pause for this rain to stop, we may not shoot this video today. And secondly, while we tried to shoot this video, our lighting system just packed up. So if, for example, my face is somehow, or for example, you can't see the board clearly, please bear with us. We'll try to make a replacement this week, or if possible, try to fix it up. So let's dive straight into the video, guys. This particular test, like I said earlier, is between petrol and gas. And for this particular test, we'll be using an ROD 3910EX generator. It's going to show on your screen. The ROD 3910EX generator is similar to your SPG 3000 sumec firman generator. So if you have the SPG 3000 sumec firman generator, or perhaps you have this one, they have the same power rate, almost the same power rate. So for this particular generator, for the particular test, I had to use these units. These are the units I have in my house, so I have to use them. I use a deep freezer, one single deep freezer, 6 fans, 6 fans, laptops, TV sets, and lighting points, the bulbs. Okay, for the petrol, for using petrol to run this generator, of course you know the price of petrol now. Petrol now prices at 590 naira per 1 liter petrol, and that is if you are getting from NNPC filling station. But if you are not getting from NNPC filling station, I think it should cost about 610 or thereabout. And for gas costs 650 naira per 1 kg gas. That is if you are also getting from designated center. But if you are getting from roadside, it should cost 700 or thereabout. Okay, for this particular petrol, particularly, I use 6 liters of petrol for about 7 to 8 hours for my generator. Okay, and then I use 6 kg gas for 11 to 12 hours. There is a stark difference already, but I want to make sure these hours are the same. So knowing whether 6 liters of petrol lasts for about 7 to 8 hours, that means 3 extra liters should last for 4 hours, right? Should last for about 4 hours. So therefore, 9 liters of petrol equal 9 liters of petrol equal 12 hours, right? Is that understood? Hope you got that mathematics right. See what I did there? If 6 liters of petrol that I use regularly for 7 to 8 hours, Then if I'm to use an extra 3 liters of petrol, it should last for about 4 hours. So adding both together, 3 liters plus 6 liters giving me 9 liters, and of course the 4 hours plus the 8 hours giving me 12 liters. So therefore we use 9 liters of petrol for 12 hours of runtime, and then we use 6 kg gas for 11 hours of runtime. There is already a stark difference, but now here is where the mathematics comes into play. 9 liters of petrol will give me 9 times 590 naira. Okay, this will give me the total sum of petrol I will use for 12 hours. Then 6 times 650 naira will give me the total sum of petrol I will use for the total sum of gas rather I will use for 11 to 12 hours. Let me get my calculator so you flow with me. So guys, for this we will have 590 times 9, 590 we have 5,310 naira. We have 5,310 naira. Okay, and for here we have 6 times 650. 6 times 650 will give us 6 times 650 now will give us 3,900 naira. You see, in just 12 hours, so you guys, you see, in just 12 hours, you saved up 1,410 naira. In just 12 hours, using gas, you saved up 1,410 naira. However, results may vary from different generators actually. My generator is a little bit heavier. For some people that use a generator like Sumec Firman SPD 2500, that generator will not consume as much gas and as much fuel. And of course, at that point, you get a higher differential. And that applies to people that use a bigger generator as well. Just in case I haven't said this, for this particular gas I use the normal cooking gas, LPG. So that is the particular gas I use. So let's assume for 12 hours, I have been able to save 1,410 naira personally, right? In 24 hours, what would I save? I would save 2,820 naira. Okay, so every day, let's assume I use my generator consistently for 24 hours. I have successfully saved 2,820 naira each day. Now, here is the thing. You know, 2,820 naira may not look huge, but let's do that for a month. Okay, so we have 2,820 naira. Let's say for 30 days, 2,820 times 30 days. So what are we saving now? So in 30 days, I would have saved 84,600 naira. Okay, and then perhaps I use my generator regularly every day of the month, in a whole year. I use my generator regularly every day of the month in a whole year. So what I'll do now, I will multiply this monthly differential by 12, and now this is where you see the benefits of gas particularly. Okay, now I have 84,000 rather 600 naira times 12. Okay, let's go. So therefore, in a year, I would have successfully saved 1,015,200 naira. You see the huge difference. This is what I keep talking about when I tell you gas presently is the best. Okay, gas presently is the best, and I kid you not. Just imagine personally, with a small generator I use, I have been able to save 1 million plus in a year. Imagine someone who uses a bigger generator to run a business. The person would possibly save 2 million plus and above. So guys, just in case you have had any doubts before now, I think and I believe I've been able to prove to you that gas generators or gas carburetors rather, are the best when compared to using petrol carburetors. If you've loved our videos to this particular point, I beg you to subscribe, like, and share. Send this to friends and family. Send this to your friends who would originally not believe that gas is quite better for your generator. However, if you have installed your gas carburetor and for some reason your gas carburetor consumes more gas, different from what your neighbor may have told you gas carburetor consumes, I will refer you to one of our videos. You can check at the top of the screen now for that video. In that video, I explain 6 different steps on how to adjust the carburetor to better serve you. Okay, with that particular video, I think you shouldn't have any cause to worry about using gas carburetors. Alright guys, till meet in our next class. It's goodbye. Take care.